You are about to see something that honestly feels like the future of filmmaking. Because a new AI video model just became publicly available, and the realism is absolutely insane. Seedance 2 is now officially available to the public, and the physics, motion, and cinematic quality look shockingly real. Even the lip sync is so accurate that most people cannot tell the video was generated by AI. But before I show you how to use it, first take a look at some examples generated with this model. From what you just saw, it is starting to become clear that tools like this could completely change how movies are created. In fact, Seedance 2 already beats many popular models in multi-shot storytelling, motion realism, and physics dynamics. Compared to models like Kling 3, the scenes generated with Seedance 2 feel more natural, more cinematic, and far more controlled. Which means something very interesting. For the first time, creators can generate scenes that actually look like they belong in a movie. And today I will show you exactly how to do that. We are going to use a platform that gives access to Seedance 2, and I left the link in the description below so you can follow along. Once you log in, you will see a very simple interface that is easy to use. There is no complicated navigation because the platform is built specifically around Seedance models. From here, you can even access older versions. But today, our focus is on the latest and most powerful model, Seedance 2. To get started, simply click on Try Seedance 2, and you will immediately see several generation options. You can generate videos using reference media, generate videos using a first frame and last frame, which gives you much more control over motion and scene transitions, or generate videos directly from text. And this text-to-video option is actually what makes this platform stand out, because I have not seen this feature available on most other platforms that offer Seedance access. The reference feature is extremely powerful because you can upload up to 5 files including images, videos, or even audio. Then inside your prompt, you can reference each of those elements so the model understands exactly what you want to happen in the scene. Currently, Seedance 2 supports video generation up to 720p resolution, and you can generate clips up to 15 seconds long. You can choose between Seedance 2 Fast, which costs only 15 credits, or Seedance 2 Standard, which costs 30 credits for a full 15-second clip. And compared to many other platforms that charge significantly more credits for Seedance generations, this is actually much more affordable. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate all 3 generation methods so you can see which workflow works best for your projects. All the images I used were generated inside Higgsfield AI using Google's newest image model called Nano Banana 2. I chose this model because the image quality is incredibly detailed and cinematic, which helps Seedance 2 produce much better motion results. Now, here is something very important that most people miss when using this model. Seedance 2 performs significantly better when your prompt describes exactly what happens throughout the scene. Instead of writing a short prompt, you should describe what is happening moment by moment so the AI understands the motion, camera movement, and environment. But writing prompts like this manually can be difficult. So to make this much easier for you, I actually built a custom GPT tool specifically designed for Seedance 2 prompting. Here is how it works. You simply upload your image and describe your video idea. Then the GPT asks you a few follow-up questions such as how many shots you want, what visual style you prefer, what camera movement should happen, and what type of cinematic mood you want. Once you answer those questions, it automatically generates a fully structured Seedance 2 prompt optimized for high-quality video results. This makes the entire process dramatically easier and helps you get much better results without needing to be an expert prompt engineer. If you want access to my Seedance 2 prompter, just comment Custom GPT below this video and I will send you the link immediately. Alright, now let me show you how to generate videos with this model. For the first test, I started with the reference generation option. I uploaded this image of a Tesla Cybertruck and then used my Seedance prompter to generate a fully structured prompt, which I pasted right here. Next, you can choose between the fast or the standard model. The main difference is the output quality and cinematic detail. For this example, I selected 720p resolution and set the duration to 15 seconds. Then I clicked Generate. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the Seedance 2 Pro model is currently in very high demand worldwide, so generation can sometimes take a few minutes. Just be a little patient while it processes. And here was the result. Honestly, visual effects artists should pay very close attention to what is happening here, because this result genuinely shocked me. The way the camera tracks the car, the smooth transformation into a robot, and the thrust force as it launches into the sky all look incredibly dynamic and cinematic. Then, after launching into the air, the robot transforms again into a fighter jet. Moments like this are exactly why people are saying that tools like Seedance 2 could seriously challenge traditional filmmaking workflows. Now for the second test, I wanted to push the model even further. This time, I wanted to see how well Seedance handles multi-shot storytelling with different camera angles inside a single clip. So I uploaded this image of a female biker chasing the truck and added a detailed cinematic prompt. And the result was honestly crazy. The motion control, the realism, the cinematic lighting, and the multiple camera shots within the same clip really put this model at the top of the table right now. What impressed me the most is how the characters stay visually consistent across the shots. Watching this, you would honestly think this clip was pulled straight from a high-budget blockbuster movie. Next, I decided to test something more intense. I wanted to see how well this model could handle an action fight scene. So I uploaded this image designed in a 3D Pixar style because Seedance currently has strict restrictions when it comes to realistic human faces. Then I added a detailed prompt describing the knockout fight sequence. And this is what I got. Honestly, the result looks like something straight out of a Hollywood animated action film. The motion feels powerful, the punches look natural, and there are no visible distortions or broken frames. Everything flows smoothly. Now, if you want even more control over your scenes and smoother cinematic transitions, you can use the first frame and last frame option. For this example, I uploaded this aerial image of an invaded city as the first frame, and this close-up image of a wounded alien as the final frame. Then I combined those images with a structured cinematic prompt, and the result was this dramatic zoom-in shot.
We should have attacked the human species.
Honestly, the cinematic feel here is incredible. The slow camera zoom, the environment destruction, and even the lip sync are all executed perfectly. It genuinely feels like a scene pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. Lastly, I wanted to test something even more challenging: text to video. This is actually where most AI video models struggle because there is no reference image provided to guide the output. Everything has to be generated purely from the prompt. So this is the prompt I entered. And surprisingly, the video came out very close to what the prompt described. The camera angles change dynamically during the chase, the motion feels intense, and the overall scene looks like something from a Hollywood thriller. The pacing, environment detail, and the creature movement all came together really well. Now, before we wrap up, here is the interesting part. You can actually start using Seedance 2 on this platform at a much cheaper price compared to most other services. You can choose a plan that fits your needs, starting from as low as $9.9. And the best part is that it is a one-time purchase, so you do not have to worry about credits expiring or monthly renewals. So if you are interested in AI video tools, cinematic storytelling, and automation workflows like this, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to try Seedance 2 yourself, Go click the link in the description and start experimenting with it before the demand becomes so high that you end up waiting in long generation queues. I will see you in the next video.